Hello, hello, hello to my YouTube family. This is Roslyn. I am back again, juicing. So I wanted to give a follow-up to the last video. I juiced the green juice with the celery, the cucumber, lemon, ginger, pineapple, and a lot of it was not organic ingredients. And in the description I put I did a double batch. Today I did organic green juice. It is so good, and it really did only yield 50 cc's, 50 mLs. So and it made 3 of these. So if you do one batch, you'll get 3 of these, and it was so much better. So of course, when you're juicing, I always recommend to get organic. With that being said, I'm not about to juice anything organic right now. I had a lot of leftover apples and oranges in my fridge that I did not want to throw away. They are not organic. So, which a few of the apples are organic, some are not, but the oranges for sure are not organic. So what I did was I peeled them. There you go. And the oranges, I have 10 oranges and 7 apples. The oranges, I peeled them just like I did the apple, cut it with a knife. And I tried to leave some of the flesh on for the health benefits. I can't think of them right now, but I just got a feeling there's some fiber in here. Even though I'm juicing it, I'll get some of that in my like frothy stuff. So with that being said, if you have a Breville like me, in your book, it tells you like what speed to juice these different things on. So oranges, apples, oh, that's not in the right. So let me just tell you, for the green juice, fast, you should do the celery and cucumber, and for the pineapple, you're supposed to do the boost. So let me find that in here. I thought that was pretty helpful. Like, reading is so fundamental. Okay, so for apple is boost, which is the fastest one. And then for oranges, do they even have oranges in here? I'm just gonna put that on apple on the boost too. Anyway, I'm gonna get to it. The quiet is for the soft fruits or vegetables. The fast is for the firm, and then the boost is for the hard. So I'm going to do all of this on fast, and I'm going to do a taste test afterwards. So not going to do too much editing to this video. So go ahead and just turn down your volume until I get this all done. All right, on fast. Pretty fast. So why did Alexa go off just now? Alexa went off because I am boiling my pineapple peels from my green juice. So I'm boiling my pineapple peels to make my pineapple water. So I'm trying my best to use every single ingredient to the fullest. So these just came right out the fridge. So I'm going to do a taste test right now. and it should be nice and chilled and cool. I'm gonna stir this. And this also yielded about a little bit over 50 mLs. Like when your grandkids, well, even though I don't look like it, I am a grandmother. When your grandkids come over, instead of buying the juice at the store, just make it fresh for them. They'll never taste nothing else like it. All right, here it goes. That's really good. I am definitely going to start juicing once a week. Like I meal prep for my husband, I'm going to start meal prepping my juice, my green juice, whatever fruits I have in the fridge, boiling my pineapple water. This is the best ever. So just letting you know what else I juiced, how easy it was, the setting that it should be on. You all have a wonderful day.